Well, it's almost finished. This is the 2005 Audi A4. Nearly done. Hood latch is broken. Well, the hood latch is fine, but the release is broken. There's a little bit of damage here I don't think I'm gonna fix. It's giving a code for intake something or other. This piece right here, this is from the old engine. I might just take it off and throw it on the new engine, just see if it fixes it, because it says it's stuck open. And the driveway's a lot cleaner than it used to be, but it could still use some work. You need to get someone over here to clean these oil spots. This morning I got an error for the right rear brake light and right rear blinker out, so I'm going to check those now, see maybe something just got unplugged or the plug's broken, because having both go out at the same time is a little weird. Since the plug's really easy to check, I'm going to do that first. Just flathead screwdriver in here and pull the brake light off, unplug it. Well, the brake light is smoked, and I noticed inside the plug, yeah, I don't know. It looks like there's been some cobbling together before. I'll plug a new bulb in it and see if that fixes it. Well, ladies and gents, it's been about a week since I've been to my vending machine. Looks like it's pretty much empty of the soda except for Coke and Pepsi. Both those were too deep. Looks like I need some water. Gatorade down at the bottom. This right here is Celsius, and I really wish I could get some coffee to put back in here, but chips are doing okay, but I'm going to restock those. I got some the candy corn to put in there, and I just haven't been able to get any of the candy bars. It's just too hot. I can't transport them anywhere. Let's get this stocked up so we can make some money. We're fully stocked as far as I can go. I really wish that I could get candy bars and stuff. The problem is they're all just gonna melt. It's currently ambient temperature is like 90 degrees, and it's 10:30 at night. So I would have to buy them at like 4 o'clock in the morning when it's 70 degrees, and there's no place that sells them at 4 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, we're done with this. I'm gonna take the cash, put it in the car, we're gonna go to the next one. Hi. We're gonna try and do a universal throttle cable. I don't know how to open these. There we go. The throttle cable, oh, now that I look at it, I might be able to just use this. I might not even need this. Alright, does that work? Yeah, sort of. Sure. Let's see if that works. Nope. Oh, jeez. You know what? I guess that's all I had to do in the first place. I didn't need to spend $10 on this thing. So, don't waste your money. If you just need the mower to run, pop the spring. So we had another part of the tree go down up here. Came down on the fence. I'm gonna see if I can fix that. My battery light's flashing. Let's see if I can do this real quick. Sweet. Green. That's not a usual color. So as long as you don't have to take care of your own hot tub, they're great. I'm not a big fan of taking care of this, apparently, being that how green it is. It's also been months since we've been in it, so it doesn't really matter, I guess. But I'm gonna give it a good clean. I've got some good stuff in here that'll clean it out. Once we get another batch of water in it, probably not until September. This will at least get it out so that all that water can not be stagnant in there. We don't want that.